Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. So today I am going to discuss with you guys what is the difference between to using the distinct and the top command, and can we use together the distinct and the top. So in this session I am going to describe you in details with the help of the query, and we'll see what is the result. Okay, so before starting the session I would request to each and everyone who are new on my channel, please like, do subscribe, and don't forget to share with others. So quickly let me connect my SQL Server SSMS. So I have already written a 3 simple select statement, and based on this statement we will see what is the difference. If you can see here, the first select query is a simple select query. We are going to execute on a particular table, and here I am getting the address type ID. Okay, and the same on the same table I am going to use the top 10 commands. I am going to apply top on that particular table, and let's see, I got the address type ID for the top 10. Okay, now what I am going to do, I am going to use the distinct, and we'll see what is the result is coming. Okay, so let me execute the distinct. So now you can see the address type ID is 235. So which means distinct only providing the unique ID. Okay, when I executed the top 10, or when I executed the select statement on that particular table, if you can see here, it's around 9614 rows. Okay, so total row count is 9614. When I executed the top 10, it's giving the top 10 result, and when I executed the distinct, it's giving the only the unique address type ID. Now the interesting thing is, when I execute the base the using the distinct and top together, so what the result will come. If you guys interested, you can give the comment before executing the query. Okay, now I am going to execute, and we'll see what is the coming, whether it will come only for the top 10 result, or whether it will come the distinct. So we'll see while using the together distinct and top. Okay, so let me execute this query, and we'll see. Oh, now you can see the only the distinct value is coming. So the basically the logic behind it, when you are using the distinct, it's applying the distinct, it's giving the only the unique value from the top 10. So here only 235. If it will like the unique address type ID till 10, so it will give you to till 10, but only it will provide the distinct ID only, the unique ID only. Okay, so this is the difference when you are using the distinct and top. So hope you got my point, what I am trying to say. While using the distinct and top, you can keep in mind, don't go in a confusion. So hope this 3 simple select statement make you clear what is the difference between distinct and top. Okay, in the next session I will come with another similar kind of the videos. Very soon I will upload a couple of more videos related to more query stuff. Till then, bye bye, thank you, and please share with others if you are getting the benefit from this video. Okay, thank you guys.